Koalas are an iconic symbol of our country, a unique and captivating animal found nowhere else on Earth. But tragically, our koalas are in serious trouble. You may not realise it, but populations in New South Wales have declined by 30% in just 20 years. The majority of these remaining koalas live outside of protected areas on public land such as state forest. Here, intense industrial logging can have both direct and indirect impacts. This is why the National Parks Association of New South Wales has developed a grand new vision, an ambitious plan that will ensure the survival of our koalas long into the future. A Great Koala National Park, Australia's first national park dedicated to koala conservation. This mirrors the approach taken by other countries to conserve their iconic species, such as the giant panda. Our proposal entails adding 175,000 hectares of state forest to 140,000 hectares of existing reserves, an area estimated to contain 20% of the state's wild koalas. The Great Koala National Park will also serve to protect some of the world's most diverse tall eucalypt forests and a host of other species like the spotted-tailed quoll and the Hastings River mouse. We know that the economy matters to you too, so to ensure that the new national park creates long-term job opportunities, we will analyse the park's economic implications and work with government to develop a transition plan for local communities. The Great Koala National Park will go a long way to securing the future of New South Wales's koalas and the many other species that share their home. Please help us create a safe haven for this unique animal so that future generations can enjoy koalas as you do today.